The room is quiet, the closet is bare. I watch the curtains move in the cold air. Your key is sitting by the kitchen sink. It is a relief, to be fair, I think. The latch clicked, the door shut, the weight dropped, a clean cut. Broken hearted but free. The mattress feels twice as wide. No more walking on ice. Just the silence in me. Yeah, it hurts in my chest, but I breathe easily. Broken hearted but free. Left the TV on a random show. I drank some water, sat down on the floor.